What's up, guys? My name is Big Moyo. I'm out here at Hair Queen LA with the one and only
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn is in the house, and today we're going to be trying on some wigs. You guys are going to help us choose which one look the best on her. So are you ready for this?
Yes, I am.
So this is going to be the first wig that you're going to try on.
Okay.
How have you been wearing your hair?
Just sewing and just natural.
Natural. I give it 8.5. I really like it on you.
I give this like a solid 4. But this is cute though. This is cute. It's a cute unit. I love it.
Okay guys, this is gonna be the second wig.
This is not bad. Yeah, I'll give this a 7.
What do you know about Hair Queen LA?
That y'all always keep people slave. Okay? Hair Queen LA, keep you slave.
Keep you slave. Have you ever had blonde before?
Not nothing like that, but like a icy blonde.
Icy blonde. So this one is like an ash looking blonde. Personally, hands down, I'll give it a solid 9.
Me too. This is cute. I like this.
Oh, I see 100,000. I see Ice Spice. So we're gonna try on this pink.
I give this a 7.
7. What would you give it a 7?
I think I give this a 7 because you know you have to look at a lot, like how it complements my skin,
Okay.
how it like flows with my body, you know.
This is a $5,000 wig. Why? Because it's, I mean, see the quality first.
Oh.
The fullness.
Yes. This is like what? 4 or 5 bundles?
No, this is 7 bundles.
7 bundles?
Put the comment down below. Would you pay $5,000 for a wig? I want to know. Put it in the comments. Well, we also have some 40 inches that go for $2,000. But this one right here is just like the highest quality when it comes to wigs. This is the Chanel of hair. When it comes to hair, you could get a H&M, you could get Zara. But when you come to Hair Queen LA, you are getting the Chanel of hair, like super, super top quality. Where would you wear this wig to?
Red carpet?
Red carpet?
Definitely. So I'll give this a 9.5.
9.5.
9.5 for sure.
Because we're trying on this blue.
Oh, this is a vibe.
And remember,
Wait.
it's not installed yet. What do you give it?
9.5.
9.5. Let's go! Nice. Well, we have 2 more to try on. We're gonna try on this one.
This is cute too.
So we have like this last wig that you're gonna try on.
I like that. I give it an 8.
8. Okay. She's gonna select one of the wigs. We're gonna do the install. We're gonna do her makeup. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Moyo. We are about to hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Woo! Thank you guys. You guys have been supporting us for a minute, and we are super, super thankful for you guys' support. And let us know down in the comment what other guests you guys want to see here at Hair Queen LA. My name is Moyo. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Bye.